Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno 7 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this smartphone. First of all, you need to hold your device's display and choose icons over here. Then swipe left or right on this icon slider, pick the perfect size for your icons and save it by choosing apply. Now, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. But you can always go into settings as well, scroll down, choose personalizations and click on icons over here. Then do exactly the same with icon slider and save your changes by tapping apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!